We'll guide you through how to live stream on Twitch on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've decided you want to start streaming on Twitch. We're going to guide you through everything you need to do to go and get started with this. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and you need to come to twitch.tv. This is Twitch site. You want to go to the top right, and if you haven't already, you can go and press sign up and go and create an account, or you can log in. Then you can go and press your profile icon in the top right, and you want to go and press create a dashboard. So this is where you're going to see loads of useful things. What we need to do though is come over to the left and we're going to come to Stream Manager. So here we are. So to get started, we can go and edit the stream info. So you can press edit stream info in quick actions here, and you can go and give it a title. So I could be doing a Minecraft survival, choose the game, enter any tags you want, choose the stream language and content classification. I just go and leave that unselected. I don't go through any of them and I don't change any of the rest of it. Then you can go and press done like so. So you've now gone and chosen the stream title and things like that. If we go and refresh, it'll then go and be reflected there, as you can see. Now, what I want to do is we need to go and get the software so we can go and stream from our computer. So open up a new tab. The software we're going to use is called OBS. Type it in and you can come to obsproject.com. This is free and open source. It's really great. So you want to go and press Windows like so, and now it's going to go and download. So what you need to do is go and wait for this to go and download. You can then go and find it in your downloads. Install it like any other application. Then what you can do is you can go and open it up when it's finished. I've already got it installed just to go and save a bit of time for you. So here we are. When you open it for the first time, we can then go through the auto configuration wizard. So it will save a lot of time and effort. You want to go and select optimize for streaming, recording is secondary. Then what you can do is go and press next. So for the base canvas resolution, you want to go and choose the biggest size here. So for me, it's my monitor, which is 2560. So I use display 2. And then for the FPS, I recommend you do 60 like so, and you can then go and press next. Now we can go and choose the service here. So we're going to be using Twitch. So what we can do is go and connect the account by pressing connect account. Web browser will go and open up. You then need to go and sign in here. After you've gone and signed in, make sure you have these two top options selected. Then you can go and press next. Now it's going to do a test. It's now going to go and find you the best settings, and you can press apply settings. And here we are. So you're going to go and get this pop-up for your Twitch chat as well, which is useful, and your stream information, so you can go and change it. If you click and hold it, you can then go and drop it into OBS like so. You can go and start by going to the bottom right, and we can go and press settings. You want to go over to the left, and we can choose audio. Come into desktop audio, go and choose the output. I use my speakers. And then for your mic, make sure you go and choose the correct microphone, and you can press apply and then okay. Now we can start doing some capture. So you want to come into scenes. You can have different scenes, for example, a gameplay scene, a talking scene, and you can have different sources in those scenes. So for example, we'll start with this main scene. I'll go and right click on it and just go and rename it to main. And then what we can do is come into sources and press the plus and at the bottom. Then we can go and select display capture. As I like to just do my entire screen, press okay. Then you can go and press display and choose the display you want to use with. I'll do my primary one. There it is. And then of course you could press the plus and you could then go and add in a webcam. To do that, you'd use the video capture device, press it, press okay. Then you can go and choose the camera. So let's say I was going to use this one here. I could then go and press okay, and you can then go and move it and resize it. I haven't got this connected, which is why it's black. So I'll then just go and remove it, but you get the idea. So that's it. You're now ready to go live. You can go and add more sources, as I said. So what I could do is go and press start streaming. And now I'm going to be streaming Minecraft, so I can then go and open up Minecraft. So I'll just show you, we'll press start streaming. You go and see the data at the bottom here. If you're getting a lot of drop frames, this indicates your settings are too high. So you can come into your video settings and you can then come into your video here. I recommend lowering this and the FPS. And then you should go and hopefully fix that problem. You can come and return to your Twitch dashboard. We can go and refresh it and you'll go and see we're now live. So you can go and see I'm just streaming it here because that's what we're doing. But of course, I can now go and open up Minecraft. That's it. If you found this useful and you're now live, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.